Good morning and welcome to our second day of our Japan trip. This is the first real day, the day that we get to go on these things which are called planes. As you can see, the weather isn't the greatest this morning with thunderstorms forecast, but hopefully it will still be okay when we get on our plane. It is just after 6:30 in the morning and we are walking through the tunnel heading towards Terminal 4 to get our train to get to the proper terminal at Terminal 3 to catch our Finnair flight to Finland. Just getting a little bit excited. We have made it through the chaos that was the Elizabeth line train. There seems to be a tube closure today, which means there's no trains to and from London on the tube line, so everyone is going on the Elizabeth line. So it was a bit crowded, but we've made it onto the travelator near Terminal 3 and we're just about to check in. Bags all tagged and ready to be dropped off at the bag drop. We've made it through security. It took about 10 minutes because there seemed to be a bit of a queue on one of the scanning machines. And what do you do now when you've got several hours to kill at Heathrow Airport? Obviously, you go shopping. So here is a quick walk through Terminal 3 at Heathrow Airport. This is obviously the duty-free section where you can buy lots of alcohol and chocolates and things like that, souvenirs. And then we're going to move in to the waiting area before our gate is announced in about an hour's time. Place to get coffees and food and things like that. You can see it's just a bit busy getting us ready for the crowds of Tokyo, but considering it's only now about an hour since we left the hotel and we've made it all the way through and now can relax before our flight in about 2 hours' time. You can see that everywhere is really busy, especially anywhere that is serving breakfast at this time of day. But there's lots of food places available, and if you come around here you see
You've seen our flights today.
Our plane has finally landed, but we're still waiting to find out what gate we need to actually leave from.
We are finally on the move. We have found out that our gate is gate 27 and we are now just heading to see if we can see our Finnair A350. Hopefully, now that the plane is on the ground, they can get it cleared and get us onto it without too much more delay. Getting excited. We have made it to the gate lounge, at least, and hopefully it won't be too much longer before we're getting on our plane. An hour after scheduled departure time, we are finally just about to get on to our A350 OHLWT. We have made it onto our plane, as you can see. Very stylish, very new plane.
Very squashy.
Very squashy plane, but
Very hot.
very hot plane. But it's going to take off soon and take us to Helsinki.